Hello students, we have a question from JEE Main 2017 from the chapter Electrostatics. Question says that we have two charges 4 coulomb and minus 6 coulomb kept at a distance 50 centimeter. Find points, 2 points where the potential is 0. So let's see, we have 4 coulomb and minus 6 coulomb separated by a distance of 50 centimeter. Let's say at a point near to 4 coulomb, that is 4 coulomb have less magnitude, we have potential equal to 0. Say this point as C. Say this is lying at A, this is lying at B. Let the distance be x. Then here assume the potential to be 0. Similarly, in between also they are asking 2 points. So in between, let's assume a point at a distance x1 from 4 coulomb. So it is at a distance x1 where potential is 0. Now at point, say this point as D. So now at point C, potential due to these two charges will be 0. Sum of potential due to these two charges will be 0. That is K, first consider due to 4 coulomb. 4, usually potential you can write as K Q by R, where R is the distance. Using this, due to 4 coulomb we have K 4 by X, we are considering at point C, minus K 6 by, total distance is 50 plus X. 50 plus X equal to 0. Or this is 4 into 50 plus x, 200 plus 4x equal to 6x. So 200 plus 4x equal to 6x. So x equal to 100 centimeter. This is one case. Now consider at point D. At point D, this is at C. The potential will be K into 4 by, this distance is x1 minus K into 6 by 50 minus x1 equal to 0. Now solving this, we will get 200 minus 4x1 equal to 6x1. See, 200 minus 4x1 equal to 6x1, for x1 equal to 6 plus 4 10, 200 by 10 equal to 20 centimeter. So in between it is at 20 centimeter from 4 coulomb and outside it is 100 centimeter from 4 coulomb charge. So let's see the options. Internal, first option is internal points at a distance 20 centimeter from 4 coulomb. It is right. And external point lies at a distance of 10 centimeter from 4 coulomb. This is also right. So correct option is A. To know more about the concept in this chapter, you can go to concept list and select the concept, and to get next concept you can go for next concept by just clicking this one. Thank you, students.